everyone! I am sitting on the floor. I never do this. I don't know what to do with my legs. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be talking about the 5 style mistakes that you might be making and how to fix. If you are new here, hello. My name is Shay, and normally when I do videos, I do stand up at least, or sit in a chair. But today I figured I would just plop right down on the floor and talk to you guys. Make it a casual, fun video. So I would love for you to subscribe. Let's be friends. It's the right thing to do. Be friendly. So let's just jump into the video. The very first style mistake that I often see people making is wearing too many designer pieces all at the same time. Some people have no designer items, and that's totally fine. Whatever floats your boat. I mean, that is by no means going to make you super fashionable. However, a lot of people out there, including myself, like to use what's called the high-low method of fashion. Basically what that means is you will put an outfit together and throw in one designer piece for your outfit to kind of elevate the whole thing. But some people like to take it a little too far and combine just a lot of designer things. So they might throw in a Gucci belt, a Gucci bag, a Louis Vuitton scarf, Louis Vuitton heels, the list goes on. But just because something is high-end, really expensive, doesn't mean it will automatically make you look fashionable. So you obviously want to kind of go light with the designer logos. I know some people hate designer logos. I don't mind them, I kind of like them, but I stick to one. You might be able to get away with 2, but it just kind of depends on how you style it. You have been warned. So put together your entire outfit, and if you choose to add a designer piece, then sprinkle it on at the end. Okay, so if you take away anything out of this entire video, take away my number 2 point. And that would be creating a muffin top because your pants are just too tight. You could be the skinniest, most fit, most thin person, but if your pants are too tight, you will automatically create a muffin top on your body. I will never forget the time that someone came up to me. I was wearing really tight pants. That was my mistake. And they literally grabbed my love handles, shook them, and proceeded to say that even skinny people can be fat. It's a great memory. So basically, even though tight pants can kind of show off your backside, they can be a little bit more flattering in the sense that they can make your legs look skinnier. It just kind of depends. But if they're too tight, then your skin has nowhere to go but up. And then muffin top forms, and it's just not good. So just make sure your pants fit you. Sounds simple, doesn't it? Number 3 is wearing the wrong undergarments. And I'm talking about showing bra lines or underwear or panty line. There are magic products out there, people. We need to start utilizing them. There's those flower petal things that kind of cover your chest. There's a weird bra thing that actually pretty much lets you wear anything in the world and nothing will show. There's the thinnest underwear on the planet. I don't understand how they're getting thinner. Then there's tights that are actually underwear. You don't even need to wear underwear. You just wear the tights and then you have no line. Basically, I think you should just kind of have a little arsenal in your underwear and bra drawer. I know it's not like the most fun thing to prepare for, but if you go to put something on and you're revealing things or you're showing lines, you can go find what you need and then voila, your outfit is perfection. Number 4 is worn out shoes. Now, I totally understand that when you find a good pair of shoes that are actually stylish, it's a big deal. I mean, it's really hard to mix the two of those, and I fully understand that. So when we find that magical pair of shoes, we just naturally gravitate toward them. We wear them a lot, at least I do. And so quicker than normal, they get kind of ratty. They start looking old, they look a little dirty, but unfortunately, their commitment doesn't last as long as ours. It's easy to be in denial of a shoe, especially since you can't just go back out and buy the same shoe. Almost 99 times out of 100, it's no longer available. So just take my advice. After you're done with this video, go up and take a look at your shoe collection. Take your rose-colored glasses off your face. Really look at those shoes, and if they look a tad on the used side, if you know what I mean, it's time to part ways. You're welcome. The 5th style mistake that I think is a big deal and it's kind of underrated is just never changing your style. And this is something that I kind of see older people making, and I don't know, it's hard for me to say the term older. I kind of think it starts happening at the age of 40. I feel like in your 20s and 30s, you're a little bit more keen to taking a little bit of a risk with your style, but once you hit 40, you start to get a little scared. The fear starts creeping up in your mind that you're gonna look too old or too young. You're gonna be trying to pull something off that you just can't. And that, my friends, that's where the style mistake comes in. I realize it can be a fine line, but if you're never changing your style, there's a good chance you're out of style. So just experiment. Watch YouTube videos. There's a lot of fashion YouTubers out there. I'm a little biased. Get style ideas and try them out. Find one piece of clothing that makes you slightly uncomfortable. And I mean slightly. We don't want to go overboard. Go slightly uncomfortable and just try it out. I can almost guarantee that on your first day, you will get a style compliment. So just try it out. Just try it out. Just blame me. Blame good old Shay Whitney on YouTube made you try this. Just blame me. So that does it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Hopefully it didn't offend too many people. That's not the goal of the video. The goal is to just have a good time, learn a few things, and kind of get some inspiration along the way. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!